Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nicola, and today we're cooking some brown stew chicken feet with beans. This is how I serve it up with some delicious yellow rice fried plantain, and this tastes so delicious. So if you're new here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, turn the notification bell for future uploads. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for all the support. So let's make this one now, guys. Here I have some chicken feet. I already cleaned these. But now we're going to just chop them so it's easier to cook and eat as well. And then we're going to wash these with vinegar, season well, and put to marinate for a bit. And the seasoning I'll be using, I'll put them on the screen. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back further on in the video. Do enjoy. Stay tuned. Our chicken feet tender enough, so we're going to add our prepped veggies and add a bit more water and allow that to start the cooking process. Then we're going to add our bean for the last step. You can totally omit the beans, but I'm adding some bean to mine. Okay, so just continue watching and I'll catch you at the end of the video. So here you have have it, guys, my brown stew chicken feet with beans. Yes, this is one of my favorite way of preparing chicken feet, and this is how I serve it up. I serve it with some yellow rice and fried plantain, and this tastes very delicious. So if you enjoy this one, please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.